Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by readying the bobbin and thread so winding is consistent. Pick the correct bobbin for your machine and set the spool on the pin. Make sure the spool cap holds it steady. Once done, pass the thread through the tension disc or guide specified by your machine manual and anchor the thread to the bobbin, either by wrapping or inserting into the notch. Make sure the bobbin sits flat and the thread tail extends past the edge before engaging the winder. You'll now wind the bobbin evenly while monitoring tension. Start the machine at low speed and hold the thread tail lightly to control feed. This prevents loose wraps. As the bobbin fills, release the tail so the thread winds smoothly across the bobbin's face. Pause occasionally to ensure layers are even and concentric. Uneven winding causes jams. Once it reaches about 90% full, stop the machine and cut the thread. You'll finish by inserting the bobbin correctly and verifying stitch formation. Put the wound bobbin into the case so the thread feeds in the direction recommended by your machine, usually counterclockwise, and pull it through the slot and under the tension spring until it clicks. Replace the case and lower the needle. Gently draw up the bobbin thread using the hand wheel so both threads meet. Finally, sew a few test stitches on scrap fabric. If you see looping, stop and recheck bobbin direction and tension as the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.